What are you scared of?
I don't know. I don't know what is it? Sorry.
Good thing it's not breakable.
We only got a 5 below.
We got it at the Dollar Tree, Dad. Really?
Oh my god! This is so awesome!
That's all you got. Is that alright?
Yeah, it's fine. This is so awesome.
Well, you might want to move the tissue paper.
Can I have that paper?
Oh my god!
Do you even know what they are?
No, I think they're One Direction tickets though. This is your ticket!
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Are you really crying? Go thank Daddy.
Happy birthday.
Do you really think we were just going to get you a t-shirt? Now you have something to wear to the concert.
Okay.